Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, my project ideas. Today we are going to make a C++ project on the topic casino game. So let's see the requirements of this code. First, you require an IDE for running and compiling the source code. Second, you require code blocks or VS Code for a better experience. Third, you require an operating system. You may require any operating system as per your choice, but the recommended ones are Windows 10. So what we're going to do is, now let's move to the actual code part. So here we are in the code. First, we have included all the header files. Then we have this using namespace std. Then a function named void points. Then under the main function, we have the string and int data types like player, amount, bid, left, dice, and option. Then we have the name of the casino, that is Johnson Casino, and it asks us to enter the name of the player. Then the initial amount to deposit. Then it says us, welcome, are you ready to play? You have to enter your bid amount. If the bid amount crosses the current amount and it says sorry, this is impossible, you can't. You have to re-enter the bid amount. Then you are supposed to guess a number from 1 to 10. Numbers should be lying between 1 to 10 and we will be using a random function to get the number from 1 to 10. Then if we win, we will be seeing that congratulations we win, and if we lose, then sorry you lose. And the winning number will be displayed and the remaining amount will be displayed. And if all the bidding amount will be over from your account, then it says no money left to play, and if you want to play the game again. So I hope you understood the working of this code. Now let's run it. Okay, here see, it says, okay, see here it says enter the name of the player, otherwise we will do one thing, we will rerun it, that it will be displayed here. Just a minute, some technical error in the code. Yeah, so the name of the player, it says Simran. Initial amount, I say $10. So what I'm gonna do, these are the instructions, and enter any number from 1 to 10, and winning amount will be 10 into the bidding amount, and losing amount will be the bidding amount. Okay, so I'm ready to play. So if the bid amount for me is $5, I'll be pressing 7. It says sorry, the winning number is 3. Let's play again. Now I'll play for $1. The bidding amount for me, the number will be 6. The winning number is 5. Okay, so I'll play again. $1. Then winning number 6. Again I will lose. The winning number is 8. Okay. $1. The winning number will be 3. Again we are wrong. The winning number is 4. This is random function basically. So see, I press 3. So it says the bidding amount cannot exceed the current amount. So again I lose. Again I lose. Winning number was 7 and my remaining money is 0. It says sorry, no money to left to play. Thank you for playing this game. So I hope you understood the working of this code. For more interesting project ideas, stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.